Mimi and Sasha. Story House presents Momo's Giggly Hiccups. The sky was sleepy. The meadow was still. All the friends were ready for bed. Momo gave a great big yawn. Then, hic! Hic! Went Momo, big and bright. A giggly hiccup in the night. Hic! Went Momo, and he started to giggle. Hee hee, hic, hee hee. Oh no, said Momo, I can't stop. Pip held up his little lantern. Let's help your hiccups go, he said. Hit, breathe in, breathe out. Bruno came with a cup of water. A little sip might help, he said. Sip, 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 a tiny drink. Slow it down. Now stop and think. Momo took a sip. 1, 2. Hic, breathe in, breathe out. Still a little hiccup. That's okay. Coco curled up close and breathed real slow. Breathe with me, Momo, she purred. In through the nose, out through the mouth. In through the nose, out through the mouth. Soft little breaths chase hiccups out. In and out, in and out. Then Lulu had a soft surprise. She tickled Momo's nose with a fluffy dandelion. Boop! Momo waited and waited. Hic, breathe in, breathe out. No more hic. The hiccups were gone. Thank you, friends, Momo whispered. You helped my wiggles slow right down. The friends snuggled under the quilt. Quiet now, the wiggles go. Nighty-night, soft and slow. Good night, Momo. Good night, Sunny Meadow.